Give me just a little sky. We got the message for you. Come on, me say, sunshine, sunshine reggae. Don't worry, don't hurry. I take it.
So what's up, brothers and sister? I will show you around Siargao Island by my experience here, blessed and loved.
Kita nyo yan by love. Dagan kayo nag-love sa kung ano. Dagan kong bashers. Pero sa internet naman itong mga bashers, wala man sila magpakita. Magpakita mo kung gusto nyo. Pero lovers. Yes, brother.
Ang nakanindot aning island na ninyo kay daghan kaayog turista all over Mindanao, Philippines by and just to relax and unwind by nilang journey daghan kay karne, balanse. And because layo ta sa rat race by mo natong exercise, skate surf, balanse kayo at bang sa dagat no. Salamat kaayo. At the same time, daghan gyapon opportunity mga negosyante diri no, and I met Bogart the Explorer diri. Napo day siya negosyo diri kanin baboy. So nalibre ko niya lechon and then we had a podcast.
Let's talk about your rise to fame then by like a lot of it rode talaga on the controversies.
Controversy.
Yes.
Controversy, yeah.
Actually plural. The British way is controversy. People would say controversy. Controversia. Controversy.
And then if medyo laay na sa Matrix by, you know, we have a choice to go to Cemetery Pesangan by one of my favorite surf spot by I feel like a gladiator here. I usually prefer na maglakad lang pa Pesangan but this time may kasama ako so nag-boat trip kami. Grabe kalaki ng balod bay, napunta talaga ng boat doon and then may mga kasama ako mga afam. Woo! And then now we're going on a island hopping by Rob Travel and Tours. Gwapo kayo ni siya na experience guys na maka-travel tours kayo, island hopping, kay ma-experience nyo ibang islands by na blessed po kayo sa nature. So nakasulod na ta, we're 22 packs daw and it's a party boat by sharing.
Nata karon sa Corredor Island. Nairampa dire bay kuya wa. Kapa kayo.
And then in the middle of the island of Corredor by nage pa yung mga fans. Oy, bless kayo.
And sister, bless kayo dire bay. Ang hangin ingang malalim. Breathe deeply.
Hindi ma-capture ng camera ang beauty dito bay, pero once you're here bay, feeling mo nasa paradise ka talaga.
Yo brothers and sister, bay nindot kayo dire. Corredor. Blessed.
Dili tanan maka-experience ug ingani, but once you experience it by eye-opening.
Kasarap mabuhay bay, and to wrap it all, yung experience ko traveling by, wow, you know, napaiyak ako bay kanina. Experience ko bay, kita ko right in front of me, views, perspective.
So I said na nata sa Corregidor and we just finished our Mindanao and Visayas loop and super grateful by na to end this up mo niya akong view na experience, blessed. Kung feeling ninyo stuck mo sa inyong life by travel good is my best remedy for that. And as always, kaon gyud mo para di mo ma-brother healthy food, di ba?
A0 Travel and Tours by nami karon sa Corredor. Lami kayang pagkaon pero we're in nature by blessed kayang dagat. Kaon.
Brother, nagunsa ka dira, brother?
Kani nagkaon para di ko ma-brother kay ako betig bantay sa Matrix. So nindot kay Matrix diri balansera kayo. Blessed.
And another kaon na food burger in the island.
Kaon ta para di ta ma-brother. Bullshit.
And to wrap this video by Nature Matrix, blessed and love as always. Padayon lang, don't give up guys, manifest your desires. Peace.